Tha taruk HELAKLABA PHAOBA Manipur Leingak na separate administration Pidaba na Maram Oiraga Masha OIBA Leingak ama SHEMJARAGANI HAINA ITLF ki General Secretary MAUN na PHONGDORAKLI Mak na tharorokpa video message amada hai Asukuiraba PHAOBA Leingak ta tanduna lakpa separate administration gi kholaw asi tabidaba na Maram Oiraga chayol kharagi manungda Masha OIBA tongan ba Leingak ama SHEMJARAGANI Center na masak khangba natraga khangdaba haibadu thidana nauna semgadoriba Leingak asina kuki jona khundariba area singi thabak thoram sing yengsilagani hairi.
It's been already 6 months, yes, but nothing of our demand, that is separate administration from the Manipur government, was not addressed till today. So, if our voice of our rally, the voice we raise in the rally is not heard, just a couple of weeks will come, then we'll be setting up our self-government. Whether the center recognize or not, we have to go on with our self-government. So as it was in a state or in a territory, we'll be setting up a government that will look after all the administration in the cookies of tribe areas. May it be home, medical, or all the departments will be there. So we'll be trying to set up. We are trying to set up a government since our problems and the voice that we raised were not heard till today.